science, we're going through the last part of chapter 9. You will have, I think, 1 or 2 quizzes on it, and that would be it. But make sure you memorize the diagram on page 294, which we've already covered, and I've gone over it with y'all on Duo. Make sure you also learn these terms. Inhale means to breathe in, exhale is to breathe out. Diaphragm is one of the organs that helps us to breathe. The windpipe is located near your throat, and it also is part of the respiratory system. The respiratory system is a combination of the lungs, windpipe, and the diaphragm, and a couple of other things that combine and work together to help us breathe. Because remember, I told you that system is a combination of not only an organ or the main organ like the heart or the brain or the lungs, but it's also combining the organ with a couple of other body parts that help us for that certain purpose, and in this case the respiratory system. The lungs being the organs that we utilize to breathe in, breathe out. Veins and arteries. Well, we're also going to talk a little bit about the cardiovascular system, and the veins and the arteries work together to help pump the blood in and out of the heart. Arteries are the ones that take blood away from the heart, and veins are the ones that take it to. Okay? And then the red blood cells, make sure you know the distinction between red blood cells and white blood cells. Red blood cells help carry the blood to all parts of the body, okay? And the white blood cells, what they do is basically they help fight off infection. So when you're going through some kind of a disease or some type of illness, there's usually going to be a lot of white blood cells in your count if they do blood work. There's always, that's what they're there for, to help fight off illness, to help fight off infection. Okay, that's it for science for this week.